To assign using Canvas, first select the course where you want to make the assignment. Now, on the left-hand side of your screen, you will see Assignments towards the top. Choose Assignments. Now, on the right-hand corner of your screen, you'll see a blue box that says Add Assignments. Select this. Give the assignment name and instructions that you want to leave for the student. Choose the points value that you want to give this assignment. And now go to Submission Type. Choose External Tool and then choose Find. Scroll through the list and you'll see Lone Star Learning Plus. Select this and your library will populate. Choose the content that you wish to assign the students. On the right, you will see the option to Choose or Show. Choose will immediately assign the content. Show will allow you to preview the content and then select Choose to finish the assigning. Again, you'll have to select here, then finish the steps for the assignment. How many attempts can they have? When is it due? And details such as that. Now on the bottom right, you will see 3 buttons. You want to select Save and Publish. Now the content has been assigned to the students and they are ready to go.